Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to cancel Ulta credit card. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Canceling your Ulta credit card is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Online cancellation. Visit the Ulta website. Now log into your account. Navigate to the Rewards section and select the Credit Card tab. Choose the credit card you want to cancel. Now go to Account Management and select Cancel My Card. You'll receive an email confirming the cancellation. Step 2. Phone cancellation. Call Ulta customer support. Inform them that you would like to cancel your card. Provide the requested information such as your account number and social security number. You will receive an email confirming the cancellation. Make sure to use up any rewards and pay off any balances on the card before canceling to avoid any issues. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.